Hello friends, today we will connect from DisplayPort to USB-C. So my Lenovo monitor having a DisplayPort and Asus laptop having a Type-C Thunderbolt port. So I will connect with this. So this is good for the NVIDIA graphics card. So the laptop graphics card will detect in the monitor and you can play the gamings. So let's unbox and do the setup. So this is the DP cable to DP cable, and this is from Amazon this brand, and this is the DP cable to Type C. So this is the brand. So let's connect to this monitor to this laptop and do the setup. So now the setup is done for this, and we will put this in the monitor and this Type C in the laptop. So now this cable is connected to the laptop, and you can see it's showing NVIDIA graphics card RTX 3060 with 100 watts. So while connecting from HDMI, it is showing Intel graphics card, but after connecting from DP to Type C, then it is showing RTX 3060 NVIDIA. So it's very good quality. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel.